channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be upcoming videos.
Today's video, our topic was all about the cell structure. Traditionally, cellular organisms have been divided into broad categories based on their cell type. They are either prokaryotic or a eukaryotic cell. In general, prokaryotes are smaller, simpler, with a lot of stuff, which would make eukaryotes larger, more complex, and more cluttered. Prokaryotes came from the Greek word karyos. It means a knot or center, a reference to the nucleus of the cell. Pro means before, while U means through, indicating that prokaryotes lack of nucleus, while eukaryotes have a true nucleus.
A cell morphology can be used as a characteristic to assist in identifying particular microbes. But it's important to note that cells with the same morphology are not necessarily related. The bacteria tend to display the most representative cell morphologies. A coccus is a spherical shaped cell. A bacillus, it is a rod-shaped cell. A curved rods, it is obviously this is a rod with some type of curvature. There are three subcategories: the vibrio, which are rods with a single curve; the spirella, which are the rods that form spiral shapes; the pleomorphic, it is an organisms exhibit variability in their shape. The eukaryotic microbes also tend to exhibit a wide array of shapes, particularly the ones that lack a cell wall, such as the protozoa. All cells share four common components. These are the cytoplasm. It is a gel-like fluid that fills each cell, providing an aqueous environment for the chemical reactions that takes place in the cell. It is composed of mostly water with some salts and proteins. The deoxyribonucleic acid, or the DNA, it is a genetic material of the cell. The instructions for the cell's abilities and characteristics. This complete of genes referred to as a genome. It is a localized, an irregularly shaped region known as the nucleoid in bacterial and archaeal cells and enclosed into a membrane-bound nucleus in eukaryotic cells. The ribosome. It is a protein-making factories of the cell. It is composed of both the RNA and protein. There are some distinct differences between the ones found in bacteria or archaea and the ones found in eukaryotes, particularly in terms of size and location. The ribosomes of bacteria and archaea are found floating in the cytoplasm, while many of the eukaryotic ribosomes are organized along the endoplasmic reticulum, a eukaryotic organelle. A ribosome measured using the Sedberg unit, which corresponds to the rate of sedimentation when centrifuged. Bacterial or archaeal ribosomes have measured of 70S as a sedimentation value, while eukaryotic ribosomes have a measurement of 80S, an indication of both their larger size and mass. A plasma membrane is one of the outer boundaries of every cell in the plasma membrane or cell membrane. The plasma membrane separates the cell's inner content
from the surrounding environment. While not a strong layer, a plasma membrane participates in several crucial processes for the cell, particularly for bacteria and archaea, which typically
A plasma membrane acts as a semi-permeable barrier to allow the entrance and exit of the select molecules. It functions to lead in nutrients, excrete waste products, and possibly keep out dangerous substances such as toxins or antibiotics. It performs metabolic processes by participating in the conversion of light or chemical energy into the readily usable form known as ATP. This energy conversion involves the development of a protein motive force, or the PMF, based on the separation of the charges across the membrane, much like a battery. It communicates with the environment by binding or taking in small molecules that act as signals and provide information important to all. The information might relate to the nutrients or toxins in the area, as well as information about other organisms. The eukaryotes have numerous additional components called the organelles, such as the nucleus, the mitochondria, the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus, and others. These are all the membrane-bound compartments that house different activities for the cell. Because each structure is bounded by its way on plasma membrane, it provides the cell with multiple locations for membranous functions to occur. So that's the end of our discussion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the notification bell for you to be updated for my upcoming videos.